What's up, guys? Welcome back to Project TJ. Today we are going to replace the hood latch hardware, which is a pretty simple process. You need a size of a 7/16 socket or wrench, and obviously the parts.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
So what we got here, this is the part that goes on the hood, and this is called a hood catch bracket from Quadratec. 13004-20001, made in Taiwan, is what it is. I am very disappointed that it did not come with new nuts and washers. Okay, the existing hardware I'm replacing is very rusted, very rusted. Now those nuts could be brought back around, I believe, you know, a little soak and some cleaner. However, I would much rather use new hardware. For the time being, I'm gonna have to try to use the old hardware until I can get somewhere and get some new nuts for that. The part that goes here onto the fender is from Crown, and that's 55176636AD. 55176636AD. And I believe that uses the same size, 7/16 socket or wrench. Maybe not, that might be a different size. We'll have to look at that when we get to it. And these little bumpers, hood bumpers I call them. Again, I ordered them from Quadratec. I'm not sure what brand they are. The number is 125029996 maybe, or 9990. Not real sure. Looks like they just keep them in bulk and then break them down. So let's go ahead and get this started. And again, we'll have to reuse the hardware. I'll try to clean it up as best I can, but please, Quadratec, Crown, whoever maybe see this, please give us new hardware, please. Terrible. Alright guys, hopefully there's not too much background noise. Looks like there's some landscaping company working out here. 7/16 socket. Was made by the same exact company. So I wonder how old these are. Huh. Pretty easy. All right, so these little fender bumpers here, you can see it's obviously broke, and I'll show you how you can tell that. Let's get this one out. It'll probably break when I pull it out. Nope, there it came. All right. So both sides are supposed to have those little nipples on there that go down into there. However, it was broke and not doing what it was supposed to do. So the replacement is very easy. Before I put it in, I'm going to clean this area of the fender up. But you get the idea already. All you got to do is line it up and push it down. So let me clean the fender up quick and then I'll take care of that. Alright, like I said, line it up, push it in. And I think that's it. Yep, pull up on it a little bit, and if it doesn't come up, then you know you did it right. So this piece has one bolt. Oh, I already unboxed it. It has one bolt. Goes down through the fender, so we got to get to it from the underside. And I'll let you know what size socket you'll need for that. See how loose this is? This is crazy. Crazy. Alright, I don't know how well you can see up under here. This right here is the nut that's holding that on. I measured it at 5/8, but I'm not completely sold that's what it is. So all we can do is take it out and try to take it out, see what happens. Oh boy, that's rusty. So yes, I can confirm it is 5/8. That's the size of the nut. There's the new one. See the way that it fits in there. It has two little tabs that are supposed to keep it steady while you tighten. The one I took off that I already threw out was absolute junk. So I'll tighten this up and then take a visit and look at it when it's all done. Alright guys, the new hood latch hardware is done. Both sides, again, I had to reuse those nuts. Not too happy, but that's only temporary. And this side, the nut on this was a 1/2 inch. So we got 7/16, a 1/2 inch, and 5/8 of an inch. So as far as telling you guys what tools to use, at this point, you know, I always like to share some information like that, but I can't even tell you because it looks like somebody just pieced this together. Until my replacement prop rod comes, I had to use a pry bar. Something's not sitting right with my hood here. There it goes. Okay, and I do need to get a new hood. This is caved in the middle because, you know, everybody likes to sit on the hoods of their Jeeps and take pictures. And they caved it in there in the center. So it also looks like it was spray painted. It's got I don't know, it's got a different kind of texture and not very glossy. And I believe that this fender over here is newer because the paint is really smooth and shiny and not too scratched up. A little banged up there. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked here. So, new hood hardware. That locked in pretty tight. See what this side does. Ooh. Sorry about that, guys. Battery died on me. So there's the new hood latch hardware. This side fits really snug. It could be a hinge adjustment issue. See how tight the hood is there? And then you got a little bit of a bigger seam over here. And stick most of my, up to my first knuckle in there. And over here, I can't even get a fingertip in. So I think the hood hinges probably need adjusted. But again, I'm just gonna get a new hood. I can't see trying to salvage this. You can already see some rust and corrosion on the hood hinges up here. It's looking a little rough. That's how she goes with a, let's see, 99, 23-year-old Jeep. Anyway, that'll do it for this video. Hope you guys find some of this information useful. I'd really like it if you join us for the rest of this TJ journey. We're going to keep working on it bit by bit, bring it back to life a little more. And I got some more videos coming down the line for you. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. Check out the merchandise below. Check out the website. Check out social media, which I'm not real active on social media. Full disclosure. And we'll catch you at the next video, guys. Ring that bell, too, so you're notified of any new videos I post. With that said, I hope you're all happy, healthy, and well, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.